Bharatiya Janata Party hakajanmit sngi baar kalapan bena bakalarai bansai do MDC katura Ubernat and Marak banlongkum Kyrtong ke party hake election shiteng samoy ha Gambegre constituency. Ya kani lapen tikana do MLA ke BJP ubadeiru umintri ke Khubor uba elhek habakren bikila pathai Khubor. Kat haduk menta sangut kilami Kyrtong ban aireng ha kani ke election shiteng samoy kabanlong ha ka khatlai terik unai wing bat ban nyo vote ha ka arpulai terik unai wi.
Party High Command through the Meghalaya Pravari in charge of BJP has informed me and informed the State President Mr. Rikmanji Momin that the BJP is going to fill up and contest for this Gambegre by-elections. Now they have already zeroed down to Bernard and Marak only to contest for this Gambegre by-election. So many national leaders. So we have the state leader also. So the state leader also will go, not only the elected representative, those are not elected representative, also are the star campaigner. They all will go and will camping their campaign and to make our candidate win the election. In these elections, any candidate who is contesting the election, they have confidence to win. That is the election. I'm not talking only BJP, every candidate who is contesting, with that intention only, they are going to win the election. Otherwise, nobody will just waste your time, waste your energy, waste of your resources without, winning the seats. So everybody are ready. They are ready to also all are the same perspective only for the winning the seats. Everybody, not only for BJP. You talk to any political party or any candidate, it's not easy task. Everybody has to face the election. Yes.